So this is our mini project for BTech 6th semester. We have converted a conventional bicycle into an e-bike.
We haven't done any modification to alter its existing features. In this, if you come closer, you can see all our electronics are saved in this waterproof bag, and we have used a side mounted DC brushed motor. It is 24 volt, and here you can see there is no alteration with its existing chain mechanism. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how this works. So Shobik, please start.
The main components of our e-bike is a controller here, a battery, this motor, and that controller powers the throttle, brake cutoffs, and this is an indicator that indicates the battery charge here. And this is our throttle. We can see when we give throttle some, it runs like that. Okay, so here we get a maximum speed of 25 km per hour and average speed of 20 km per hour, and it gives a very good range of 20 km in one charge. So this was our mini project. Thank you so much.
There's some still future scope for this bicycle. We can change this motor into a brushed and more powerful motor. We can change this battery into a more capacitive battery, which will increase its effective range. We can install a battery management system, which will help us with the issue of overcharging, which might happen if not done carefully. And we can also put a pedal assist system, which will further help the rider. How was your riding experience?
It was very smooth, and it is like easy. Whoever know the ride the cycle, he can ride easily, and everything works smooth, no noise and anything.
Nice, very smooth. I find you very good. Thank you.
So I was one of the first riders of this e-cycle, and I found it quite smooth and comfortable to ride. Initially I was a bit skeptical about the overall design since the motor was mounted on the side, but when I rode it and experienced it personally, I found it very mechanically sound and easy to ride and well balanced cycle. So even in the pedaling mode, it was quite normal, just like a normal cycle, and not very hard to pedal due to its weight. The next thing that was very impressive to me was the smooth ride quality and the stopping power of the brakes. Also, I rode it up and down slopes as well as in different types of terrain, and it handled very well. There were no jerks or anything from the motor. It was very smooth power, and I found the instant torque and throttle response to be quite appealing and exhilarating, to be honest. So I would say it's a very great experience, and I'd like to ride it again.
Everyone, this was our video. So I want to thank Sukanya, Shobik, we basically built it for myself to use it as a mini project. Thanks.